guys, today I'm getting my hair done. I am about to leave right now. I'm not dyeing it because I recently box dyed it, and I don't think it's good to like dye your hair after you box dye it. It like doesn't turn out right or something. I don't really know, but I'm just not gonna touch the color of my hair for a while because I want it to get healthier. So instead what we're gonna do is get a trim and some layers. So this is my hair right now. It's basically all one length. I had layers before, but they weren't even super noticeable, and so I want some more dramatic layers, and then I want to run a couple errands afterwards. So let's go. Okay, so I'm out of my appointment and my hair looks so good. Here's what it looks like. The layers are so cute and it looks so much healthier than it did before. I feel like it just has more like style and personality to it, I guess. My hair just felt kind of boring before, and I'm gonna be able to style this really well, especially with the round brush that I have. I made a TikTok about it if you haven't seen it. But I went to Grace at Tangle Salon in Pasadena. I will have her Instagram on the screen. She is so sweet and really just does such a good job. This is my second time going to her and I plan to go again. I kind of want to fix up like the color a little bit too at some point. I just wanted to like give it a break for now. It is colder outside today than I was expecting, but now where's my phone? There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna head over to Miniso, which is a cute little store in Pasadena, because I want to look for some Sunny Angels. For so long, I kind of just didn't understand the hype. I'll have pictures on the screen if you don't know what they are, but I just keep seeing them on my TikTok, and I was like, you know what? They are really cute. I don't see myself like collecting them or anything. I do just want to get like maybe one or two, so we'll see. We're gonna check if this store has them. So unfortunately did not have any Sunny Angels. I also stopped by Starbucks after, got my usual and some pumpkin bread, but I did get this little brush from Miniso. I've been wanting just like a better portable option for a brush, and they had this one. Tell me why there's a hair in it. You guys just saw me open this. Okay, well I will be cleaning this. Anyways, I've been wanting one to just like keep in my purse or in my car or something like that, but I do have time to go to the mall and look for more Sunny Angels. So we are gonna do that. There's a store in the Glendale Galleria that is supposed to have them. We're gonna head over there. I'll update you guys. Okay, slight change of plans. I'm back at home now. Also, you can see my hair a little bit better now that I'm not in the car, but I think it looks so good. I'm so excited to like mess around with it and try different styles and stuff, but I have a few things that I want to get done today. I do have a call at 2:30. It's currently 12:40, so I have some time, but while I'm waiting, I have a couple things that I could work on. I have a group project that I could work on. I could like tweak my slides on the presentation a little bit. I need to prepare for this thing that I'm doing tomorrow. So basically I get to speak at a career day at a school that's in my hometown. I'm just doing it through Zoom. I'm not going back to my hometown, but I'm so excited. I get to talk to I think 4th, 5th, and 6th graders about what it's like to work in social media and be a YouTuber and stuff like that. I think it's so cool that they are including me because I feel like this just isn't a traditional job, and the fact that I am speaking at like a career day thing just blows my mind. Like I am so happy that they considered me for this. Yeah, I just feel like it's so like progressive of them. I don't know. I'm very excited. So I do have kind of an outline of what I'm gonna say, but I want to like tweak it and make it perfect. I want to like rehearse to make it as best as I can for them. And then I could also start editing this video. Also, I'm finally getting back on track with like my YouTube videos and stuff. For a while, my schedule got thrown off. There's a couple videos that I filmed in February that I have not been able to upload yet because of brand approval and stuff like that. So next week, you guys will finally be getting those videos. Spoiler alert, it's a morning and night routine. I wanted to make it almost like a little series type thing because I think morning and night routines go really hand in hand and you can't have one without the other. So anyways, I am gonna get started on some work before my call, and then later today I want to bake. So might need to go to the grocery store, and then maybe if I'm up for it, I will still go to the mall. Anyways, let's get some stuff done. and it went well. I am trying to decide what I want to do right now, but I think I want to go to the mall. I could either do the mall and try to look for Sunny Angels, or go to Target, get some groceries and bait. I could always go to the Target that's next to the mall though. I'm gonna do my lip combo. I'm using the Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Fun, and then I'm gonna put their lip oil in the shade Hope over it. It's not as like oily as I want it to be for a lip oil. There's another lip oil that I had been eyeing for so long. I really told myself that I was not gonna let myself buy any more lip products or just makeup in general because I have enough. But there was one product that was gonna be the exception, which is the Xoxo lip oil. So if you didn't know, they had a pop-up in the Grove. You go to Sephora, buy the lip oil, and then you go to their little truck and they give you a free little like charm for it, and then they have a little table where you can like decorate it. So I did a little bee, and then I did a strip of pearls on the lid, which I think I might want to like rearrange, not sure yet. And then I also got a little clip on it so you can like put it on your keys if you want. And the oil itself is so good. It's exactly what I wanted out of a lip oil. So I'm gonna put this on top of the Rare Beauty just to make it a little glossier. I made a little TikTok on the pop-up if you want to see what it looked like. It was so cute. It's also on my Instagram. I wanted to get home kind of quickly because I had some frozen stuff in my car. So I just put all the groceries away. Just got some basic necessities and some things that I needed for tomorrow when I make banana bread. And then I also got a hole punch because I might need it for a class. I got 2 Sunny Angels. I already did an unboxing and I filmed a quick TikTok. So if you want to see that, I'll have my username on the screen. But I got 2 of the animal ones, one from series 1 and one from series 2, I think. I got the Dalmatian, and they have the little wings on the back, and the mouse. I think they're so cute. They weren't the ones that I was hoping to get, but I still like them a lot. I really want to get the ones that go on the back of your phone, so I'll probably be ordering those, honestly. But anyways, I have some work to do tonight to prepare for career day tomorrow, but other than that, I don't have much to do, so I might pick this vlog up tomorrow, but if I end up doing anything interesting, I will update you guys. With a meeting for a class, and I made myself some coffee, and now I'm gonna get ready. I have the career day thing in a few hours. I have quite a bit of time before I have to join the call, but I just want to get ready now, and then after I get ready, I'm gonna prepare a little bit more and probably add a few things to my presentation. I feel like me a couple years ago would have been so nervous right now, and I probably just would have said no to doing this in the first place, but I feel fine. I'm excited to do it. While I was eating breakfast this morning, I was watching this show called Jury Duty, which if you've never heard of it, it's a show on Amazon, and basically it's a mockumentary type thing about a trial, but it's a fake trial and all the people are actors except for one person. So it's basically like a big prank on this one guy because he has no idea that it's fake, and it is hilarious. Like, it actually has me laughing out loud, which I feel like not many shows can do. It's from the producers of The Office, so if you like The Office and have that like sense of humor, you would really like this show. So yeah, new episodes came out today, so I was watching it this morning. Also, I ordered 4 Sunny Angels last night. I'm not proud of it. I just ordered them from the Sunny Angel website, and I found a discount code, so one of them was basically free. I didn't even realize I'm like out of this. Oh, that sucks. I'm out of both of the contours that I usually use. I want to just try to get the most out of this that I can, but I think it's done. I'm gonna use my Fenty contour stick. But yeah, so I got 4 Sunny Angels. If you were wondering, I think I got 2 of the Hippers of like the Dream collection, and then I got 2 of like the Animal series ones. I've tried so many blushes and I always always just keep coming back to this one. This is the Rare Beauty Melting Blush in Nearly Mauve. I think I've realized that with Sunny Angels, I get more joy from like unboxing them than I do actually like having them. It's just so fun like opening it and not knowing which one you're gonna get and being all excited. It just feels like you're like a kid again, just collecting your favorite toy. But yeah, I don't really want to have like a full-on collection or anything like that. So after I get these ones, I think I will be done, but who knows. This mascara is crazy. Like, look at the difference. I need to get it off my eyelid, but isn't that so good? It's the YSL mascara. I feel like my makeup looks weird today. Do you guys have that problem where you do it the same pretty much every single day, but it just somehow always turns out slightly different? Like today, I feel like my base looks weird. I don't know, maybe it's just me. Now for my favorite part, my lip combo. Okay, I'm gonna style my hair for the first time since cutting it. I can't remember if I already showed this on my channel, but I'm using this round brush from Amazon. I'll have it linked on my storefront if you want it. Also, I just wanna say, I hope you guys know that like, just because I talk about a product that I like or something, does not mean that I'm trying to like sell it to you. I genuinely really love trying out new makeup products and hair products and stuff like that and like recommending it to you guys. Just because I like talking about it, it's just fun to me because it's something that I enjoy. But yeah, I hope you guys know by now, I'm not gonna recommend something that I don't genuinely like and wouldn't spend my own money on, because I did spend my own money on this and a lot of the other things that I recommend to you guys, like these two products and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair.
Yeah, I was already there. Yeah, but I called the bailiff and they're not.
Okay, quick update. There's about half an hour left until it starts, so I'm just gonna have lunch. I've been catching up on jury duty and practicing and stuff. I figured out how to use my phone as the camera for like my desktop, so it'll be better quality. I'm very excited. I'm gonna eat lunch and then I will update you guys when it's done. Let's make some banana bread. I just finished my little presentation and I think it went well. I hope they liked it. If you're watching this and you happen to also be one of the students, please comment down below. I would love that. All right, adding in a cup of sugar, a half cup of brown sugar, 2 eggs. And then I'm gonna mix this. Next we're doing 2 cups of flour. Okay, we got 1 and 2, 1 teaspoon, oh my gosh, of vanilla. Look how cute these measuring spoons are. My roommate got me these for my birthday. We're doing 4 tablespoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And a teaspoon of baking soda. And we're gonna mix this together. Now it's time to mash up the bananas. Okay, everything's in except the butter, so I'm gonna melt it and throw it in there. Set a timer for 1 hour. All right, we got the banana bread in the oven. I just cleaned off the counters and put all the dishes in the sink. I'm not gonna wash them right now because I am tired. And I kinda wanna just relax and watch some TV or read a book or something. I'm also craving a little drink. If you guys know me, you know I'm a drink girly, and I don't mean alcoholic drinks. I just mean any drinks like soda, lemonade, even water. I just love having something to sip on. I love some good ice water. That's why I bought this huge water bottle. It keeps my water really cold and I like hardly have to refill it because it's so big. I think I'm gonna make myself a little cream soda. I kind of just recently discovered this. I saw people doing it on TikTok and thought it was kind of weird, thought it looked a little bit gross, but I was also very intrigued by it. And I know this was a thing before TikTok, but that's kind of just how I got reminded of it. So we're gonna make one. If you have never had a cream soda before, it tastes just like when you have like a root beer float and the vanilla ice cream kind of melts and mixes in with the soda, and it's so good. I loved making my floats with Coke, so that's what we're gonna do today. Got a little bit of ice. We're gonna take some creamer. This is the one I use. This is not my first choice though. The one that I always get has been sold out recently, or maybe it got discontinued. I don't know, I hope not. So we're gonna throw some of that in there. And then I'm gonna take this vanilla syrup. You can get these at Target, by the way. I also kind of want to order a pump for them because I just got a new bottle. And then I'm gonna fill up the rest with Coke. I don't drink like a ton of soda or anything, so I never buy the like liter bottles of this. I just like getting the individual ones and having a little treat every now and then. This is so good. All right, I'm gonna relax, watch some TV, and just hang out for a bit while this bakes.